Hi everybody, I'm Robert Spencer, and this is not my Moving Beyond newsletter. It's an announcement about upcoming classes in the Feldenkrais method that we'll be having this spring. The first one is called Quality of Movement, or Doing Just About Anything Better and Easier. It's going to take place on Tuesdays from February 10th to March 31st. Now there will be two sessions. One will be in the morning at 10 o'clock, lasts for an hour. The other will be from 7 to 8 p.m. So you can come morning if you've got the time, or if the evenings work better for you, we've got you covered there too. It'll be 8 weeks long. The tuition is $110, which is the same price we've had for the last several years. Now, quality of movement is an interesting theme, and this class will be appropriate for both beginning and continuing students. If you're new to it, you'll get an explanation of what the method is. You'll get a lot of experience and guidance in how to study it and how to use this powerful method of learning. If you are an experienced student, you're going to enjoy it too, because some of the same themes that we have worked on before, I've been studying and acquiring new variations on those, and I'm really excited about it. These will be variations on the themes that you may already know, and they will be stuff that I've never taught here before, so I know that it'll be new for you. I think you'll really like that. So whether you're a beginning student, whether you're a continuing student, quality of movement will be a good experience for you. You know, recently I heard a friend of mine say that with this work we're not so interested in physical fitness as we are biological fitness. And by physical fitness, what we mean is just getting stronger, getting better aerobically conditioned and stronger muscles. And I like to do that. I ride my bike a couple thousand miles every summer. I go to the gym. This year I learned to do cross-country skiing. I really like that kind of workout. But I know that no matter how strong my muscles get, I will never be able to defeat the laws of physics. Some people have said they define or think of the Feldenkrais method as the study of how the laws of physics apply to the human body. And that's not far off. When we have high quality movement, we're more efficient. We have better balance. There is less strain, less wear and tear, greater ease, greater efficiency. And it's as if our biological fitness brings us the capacity to act more in harmony with the physical forces around us, rather than trying to use muscle power to overcome those forces. It's a big difference, and it takes a whole different approach to it. You do not get that through physical fitness training of any kind. You have to become more sensitive, kind of slow things down, take it easy until you really feel the quality of it, that you're not jammed up any place, that every joint in your body is available to you. Muscles fire with the right timing. That's where we want to work towards biological fitness. Now, if you have biological fitness and you add the physical strength training to it, you're going to be awesome. It's going to be really amazing. But if you use the strength to try to overcome a deficit in how you're organized for the movement, you may actually succeed in getting some things done, but it's going to be at a price that we do not need to pay. So quality of movement, please come, you'll like it. Now, the best way to register for it is to go to my webpage, and that's www.robertlspencer.com. www.robertlspencer.com. Click on the Classes tab on the left margin. It will open and show you two class options. One is Quality of Movement. If you click on that, there will be more information there, and if you go down to the bottom of the page, there's an icon there, a button you can click to sign up with your credit card or with your PayPal account, and an address where you can send a check if you prefer to do that. So that's the easy way to register. You'll also see a link there to a page that talks about a class called Crossing the Frontier that will begin in April and go into early June. That's an 8-week class also, but it is not for beginners. It's the only class I've ever had in my 30-year career of teaching this where I've had a prerequisite to it. But you have to have taken a class or a workshop from a Guild-certified Feldenkrais practitioner to sign up for the Crossing the Frontier class, because I want to go to work to lessons that I usually don't get a chance to teach to the general public. These are very fun things. They cross the frontier into deeper exploration Some of the movements that we do there will be bigger, some will be smaller, and many of them will come from angles that you would least expect. It'll be a very intriguing class. And if you take the quality of the movement class, that solves the prerequisite issue for you. So it'd be great to do both of those. There'll be a couple weeks in between the end of quality of movement until Crossing the Frontier begins, but it would be a great series for you. Okay, please come to these classes. I think I'd love to see you there. I think that would be great for you, and I'll see you there. Remember, www.robertlspencer.com. So long.